All right, our flour and oil is starting to bubble. I'm going to go ahead and add another teaspoon of flour to it. We want to make this nice and thick. Okay, when it stops being so liquidy and starts peeling in. Now, a lot of times when you make a roux, you're going to want to keep adding flour until there's no oil left at all. But in this particular dish, we want to have it still a little bit soupy. All right, we're going to remove that from the heat for the moment. And we're going to go ahead and chop some onion and some garlic. We'll cut our onion in half so we can very easily pull off our skin. And we're going to give this a rough dice, because the same with the garlic, because we would like to have nice bites of onion and garlic in our tomato sauce.